Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Try toasting the tortillas. They are probably just soaking up a lot of moisture. C. I'd say go the opposite way. Bump up the oil and shallow fry them a bit. The oil helps prevent the tortillas from absorbing too much moisture, and I think it improves the texture. Too much liquid.
Take our lead.
The trick to preventing your tortillas from breaking is to hydrate them. Once your enchilada filling is ready, pour some of your sauce into a sauté pan and put some heat under it. You don't want to boil the stuff, just get it above room temperature. Have the pan you'll bake the enchiladas in ready and waiting too.
Let's help you make your mark.
Enchiladas are made with corn tortillas, which are tough and less fresh. The tortillas must be softened to prevent cracking when being rolled, which is why they are usually quick fried. You can soften without frying by using a comal, steaming, or spraying with oil and baking.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Roll the enchilada from end to end. Place your enchiladas into a casserole dish in which enchilada sauce has already been poured. Place the enchiladas on their seams so they don't come unrolled while baking. Pouring sauce into your casserole dish before adding your enchiladas helps to prevent them from sticking.
Make your mark, take our lead.
8 answers. 20 or 30 seconds on a griddle, or a comal if you have one. Wrap a stack in foil and place in 325 oven for until warm. Wrap a stack in a clean towel and steam them using a steamer. Slightly moisten a towel and wrap it around a stack and microwave them for a bit.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.